Ki khubor ka bate si TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Presiden berim jong senggi samla Pule khasi srencingen sengkeme jong snem ka khandai spa new khandai hadu ka khandai spa prapuwei oba Michael Siem olawan van Iman Siem samla sha ajingen khaskolba North Eastern Hills University kaniga jingwan Iman Siem kini samla pasha thakan Kidei namar ga jing sokhya namar boba Michael Siem ula Pule teng hagani ka skolba kata house nam ka khandai spa anyup nyo hakran English but house nam ka khandai spa purpose hak MA political science.
Khynnah is central government, but this is a central university. But these who are doing the hunger strike, they are students. They are not terrorists. They are not militants. They are more concerned about the academic future of the students. So the demands are genuine. So we appeal to the central government, to the authorities concerned, take immediate steps in to give the relief. We don't want that the neighborhoods have been part of since the inception to slide down and see the students suffer for no fault of theirs. So on the much front we appeal to the central government to intervene immediately so that students also can fall off the hunger strike and the academic pursuits also can continue.